So we're going to start the pattern for this bracelet with our first row of netting, which is where we establish the pattern. And if you can use this video along with your written instructions, that'll make it a lot clearer for you. So we start with this, which is the pearl, 2 seed beads of pearl, so on. And that's our initial row. I do have a stop bead on, and I have left a pretty long tail in case I need it. We're going to hold on to this and go back working towards the tail now. The first thing we pick up when we turn around is going to be our edging. So the edge on this particular pattern is 1 seed bead. And now we pick up the so-called net, which is 2 seed beads, a pearl, and 2 seed beads. So there's what we have. This is the turnaround, and then that's the net. We skip the first bead, point bead, which these are like point beads, and we go into this one. Hold on to your work as you pull your thread through. And you've made a first net. For the second net, because this is only 2 nets wide, we only need to pick up the 2 seed beads, the pearl, and 2 seed beads. Look at where our thread's exiting. Keep tension. We're going to skip 1 pearl, go into the next pearl. Okay, hold on to your work as you pull it through. Now, there we have our 2 stitches, 2 nets.